Today we're going to talk about the area of regular polygons. I'd like you to take the polygon that you have and trace it onto your paper right underneath your title. And we're going to figure out a formula for the area of any regular polygon. To do this demonstration, we need to be able to find the center of our figure. So I've got the center of my polygon marked. So I'd like you to take your compass, put the compass point right at the center of your polygon, adjust the width so that the pencil is on one of the vertices, one corner of the polygon. And then if you draw a circle, your circle should go through every vertex or every corner of your polygon. Let's use your ruler to draw a straight line from the center of the circle, the center of the polygon, they both have the same center, to any one of the vertexes of your polygon. That's also it's going from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. It's also going from the center of the polygon to a vertex of the polygon. What's that line called? It's called the radius. Good job. Now we're going to draw a line that starts at the center and is perpendicular to a side opposite it. You can go from the center to any side. It doesn't have to be on the bottom. And I'm going to draw my symbol showing that that's a 90-degree angle. That line we're going to call A, and A stands for apothem. Apothem, A-P-O-T-H-E-M. Apothem. If I draw a line, another radius, what shape am I making? Yeah, do you see the triangle that I made there? How do I find the area of a triangle? Yeah, the base times the height divided by 2. So this is the base. This is the height. What do we call the height now? Yeah, so I could erase this height and say A, right? The base times the apothem divided by 2. How many triangles could I fit in my particular shape? Someone said it. Yeah, I drew 5. So the formula for one triangle is base times apothem divided by 2. How many triangles make up the whole shape? 5. So how could I change this formula to be the formula for the area of this polygon? I have one triangle, and I'm saying the shape is made up of 5 triangles. How could I change this formula to say it's 5 triangles? Yeah, thank you. If I multiply this by 5, I have 5 times the area of one triangle.
I know what you're talking about.
Very simple.
It's simple, Mrs. Curtis.
So if we find the area of this triangle, which is base times apothem divided by 2, same as base times height divided by 2, if we multiply that times 5, that's taking the area of 5 triangles. So that's the area of the whole thing. If we take this base times 5, that's this plus this plus this plus this plus this. What is another word for that?
Perimeter.
Yeah, good job. Do you see how 5 bases make up the perimeter of my particular shape? So we can make this formula work for any polygon, no matter how many sides it has, by saying the area is equal to the perimeter times the apothem divided by 2. Yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that this formula is basically takes into account however many triangles the shape has in it. Because in this perimeter is all of however many bases
So
you have.
You pretty much just made it easy.
This is the formula that you can use for any polygon. And the reason this works is because every polygon can be made up of a certain number of triangles. If you have a hexagon on your page, it's 6 triangles. If you have an octagon on your page, it's 8 triangles. And what does this P stand for?
Perimeter.
Yeah, so we're going to find the perimeter.